Shalom. May the good Lord be with you. Let us meditate upon today's word, which is the Lord our God is a good God. The Lord our God is a good Father. Many times we see everything has been supernaturally provided unto us. We may feel that we are lacking in many things, but the Lord has provided for us supernaturally. Even Jesus says, more than the lilies of the field, more than all the things you can imagine around you, which are the animals, which are the birds, the Lord provides for them. How much more will He provide for you? Our God is a good God, and therefore we have to always be thankful unto Him. Let us remember the first criteria to have a good relationship with God is knowing that He is a loving God, knowing that He is a good God. Only when we have a good opinion about someone, we will go and approach that person, talk to that person. In our case, we will only love the Lord truly, we will only know the Lord truly, we will only have a relationship with Him more deeply when we know that He is a good Father, He is a good God. Let us surrender and let us make a short prayer. Mighty Lord, I surrender these people unto you. Grant them the grace to know and experience your supernatural love. May every individual know and truly believe that you are a good Father. Jesus, I pray right now, may your mighty fire come in their life. Open the doors which couldn't be opened. Let supernatural miracles come in their life. Let amazing things happen in their life, instances and situations which they thought would never happen may it happen today. May their life be full of miracles. Arabashiri galagalarama shekalalaba shiri galagalagarababa shiri galagalagarababa Raidani angalago shi galagalagaraba shiri galagalagarababa shiri galagalagala Arabashiri galagalagarababa. Shalom.